I won't wake her. I just wanted to check up on you both. Brought you some food.
Suki, I'm sorry about earlier.
Don't worry about that now. Yeah? You focus on getting yourself better. I'm sure we'll take care of the both of you. I'll call you later. Okay?
You don't have to stay.
There is nowhere else I want to be.
I'm sorry.
You have nothing to be sorry for.
You said about my legs swelling. I should have listened.
Well, I'm not a doctor, Ben.
No, but I should have let you help. I just had to prove a point. Push you away.
Well, I don't get why you'd want to.
Vinny, all my life, I've had people telling me what's best for my body. Patronising me.
I'll never do that.
No, I know. I find it hard to let people in.
I'm not people, though, am I? Maybe I get carried away sometimes. But you're having our baby. And I want to look after you. Not because I don't think you can't look after yourself. And this has nothing to do with your disability. It's about me. Being a good dad.
You'll be a great dad.
I want to be. But maybe I don't know how. Look at my dad.
Oh, Vinny.
I know I can be too much.
No. I want you to be involved. I really thought I was going to die in that park. And all I kept thinking was, I want Vinny. I love you.
I love you too. We're gonna do this together.